6.3 million years ago, the world was raw, vast, and unforgiving. This was not a land made for humans. It was a land that tested them. Early hominids walked cautiously through forests and open woodlands, smaller and weaker than the creatures around them, their survival balanced between instinct and chance. Every sunrise meant another struggle, and every sunset meant they had lived one more day. They moved slowly through tall grass and ancient trees, eyes scanning constantly, bodies tense. Hunger ruled their lives. They searched the ground endlessly, pulling roots from the soil, cracking hard nuts against stone, tasting berries carefully, learning through pain which plants gave life and which brought death. Near shallow rivers they crouched low, hands reaching into cold water, catching small fish only when luck allowed, always aware that the water itself could hide danger. The land was shared with giants. Massive animals passed nearby, shaking the earth, reminding the hominids of their place in this world. When they hunted, it was not with strength, but with desperation. They followed broken grass and footprints, gripping rough stones and sharpened sticks. When a small animal fell, they rushed forward in chaos, tearing flesh quickly before stronger predators arrived. Blood soaked the soil, and fear never left their eyes. As darkness fell, fire became more than warmth, it became hope. Sparks struck from stone gave birth to weak flames, pushing back the night just enough to survive. Meat cooked slowly as shadows danced, but danger never slept. Eyes glowed beyond the firelight. Rain fell. Fear returned. Some did not survive the night, taken silently by unseen hunters, leaving only disturbed earth and loss behind. Yet those who remained rose again, injured, exhausted, fewer in number, but still moving. They scavenged bones left by predators, cracked them open for marrow, shaped stones more carefully, learned from every wound and every death. Day after day the cycle repeated: walk, search, hunt, eat, survive. And slowly, without knowing it, they changed. Hands grew more skilled, minds more aware. Cooperation became survival. As they moved across stone-covered land beneath an ancient sky, they carried more than food and fire. They carried memory, the memory of stone, the beginning of what would one day become humanity.